Another explorer with Paul. Just time we're down underground in Hastings in Night Explorer, to be fair, because she's gone 10. And here we go, nice bath. Box. Oh, mushroom. Blast wall. This wall had. Probably be my last video before I get the gimbal. It's due in tomorrow. So, old Stella can. You can tell Nigel's been down there. You'll see. What the feck? Millions of wood lice down here. Huh?
Hang on a bit. Look.
Wow, look at the misses. Whoa.
Yeah, see that square one?
Yeah.
See what I mean? Goes right down.
Yeah. Look above you as well, mate.
Get out of here.
There's loads of them.
Oh, fucking drop it on the edge. Come get out of here.
Look at all the wood lice.
Look at my fucking floor as well, look.
Mental.
It's, see what I mean? It's not much to see. It's like, what the fuck?
Yeah, it is weird. I didn't realise this was it.
Yeah. Well, I say it's quite a few people.
The hydrant in here as well.
Huh?
Fire hydrant. Another blast wall. Original cabling. Very, very wet. Another blast wall. Oh, this one's that one's completely sealed. Nothing on here. Really? Alright. They're both the same, so it's only a quick one, guys. Yeah, let's chuck it down to my ugly. Only a quick one. But I'll put some pictures of bits and bobs I see on the end of the video. Like, share, subscribe, etc. Thank you for your time of watching. Have a good time.